Five boys. These people you are seeing, they excel with 20 points. The risk is low. Senior 6
Gera wali.
Mathematics. Kayanja Victor. Let us clap for Kayanja Victor. 20 points. Nkuuli Isami, she also got 20 points. This year. The teacher close address us. Thank you. God is good and all the time. Can we clap us? Let's go for the class. Wonderful results. Let us clap for them. Dear students, we got 25 students with 20 points. 20 students, of the 25 students, 18 students were doing this year. Three students were in the physical sciences, that is PEM and PCM. Then we also had 3 students in arts. So I would like to appreciate the dear candidates of UNEB 2025. As I've said, 25 students with 20 points. We had 31 students with 19 points. Then 31 students with 18 points, and the list is endless. To the rest of the students' community, when the rankings come out tomorrow, very few students come close to us, as the head teacher will brief us. To the rest of us, the ball is in your hands. Allow me to appreciate our dear teachers for the tireless work done throughout last year and for the work they are still doing for you. Can we clap our dear teachers? As you communicated in the morning, for us, whenever it is the day to receive results, we prepare. That is why the music comes very early. So the question is, shall we celebrate next year? So that question is for the senior 4s and the senior 6 students. Otherwise, allow me to take this opportunity to
allow me this time to inform you that today we will receive our USCE results. And with me here are my colleagues, and I'm happy to inform you that we highly excel in these results. And with us are some of our best students. Allow me to invite them here. Of the students that excelled with 20 points, we had Aristotle, who got 20 points in history, economics, and entrepreneurship. Let us clap for him. The excellent must be coming from our young students. We also had Sally John Herbert. You also got 20 points. Sally was doing history, economics, and divinity. We also had Wade John William. You also got 20 points. You were doing history, literature, and divinity. The list is long. We are not doing these results, and the rest of the friends you see. And all the time. Good afternoon, dear students. Attention, please. As I addressed you in the morning today, I promised that later in the day we are to have another assembly as we declare USA results 2025. Allow me to take this opportunity to congratulate and thank our USCE candidates 2025 for the wonderful performance. As you have heard, the Director of Studies and the Deputy Academics, our learners of USCE 2025 have performed extremely well, and let's put our hands together for that wonderful performance. I want to thank you, dear candidates who are here, 2025, for making us proud as St. Ben's College Lugazi. We have 25 students with the maximum points. And the points are balanced, both from the arts, physical and biological classes. I want to appreciate all the teachers for the good work done last year. At the same time, I want to appreciate the support given by the parents, which enabled us to perform very well. In a special way, I want to thank the directors and the board for all the assistance they give us wherever we request for. And it's because of that to perform well. The candidates of Senior 4 2026 and Senior 6 2026, I pose the same question. We are celebrating 2025 candidates, and so we celebrated the 2025 UCE results. Are we to celebrate you next year? As a school, we have tried to compare our performance to the performance of other schools in the country. And I'm very sure we are among the top 10 schools. I'm very sure we are in the best 10, given the ranking which perhaps will be released tomorrow. The best school so far has 3620s, and I think that is Uganda matters. Last week I told you that some of you join us in this school with very humble grades, if I may say. But by the end of the 2 years, by the end of the 4 years, we are able to transform the humble grades into better grades. So I want to appeal to all of you who are in the right institution and we are very good drivers. You know, if you're in the bus and you have experienced driver, you can afford to sleep because you know you will reach your destination very safely. And that's what safety is. We are going to relax a bit, but I want to. So let us celebrate the efforts of have to celebrate you as well. 2027.
To the school, the dancing and celebration starts now.
Bafunye 20 points in BCM, and I want to thank God mostly. Then I want to thank my teachers. Bazadde banga bambereddewo ne baganda bange n'emikwano gyange byonna. I'm hoping to do medicine and surgery from Makerere University. Era nsaba Mukama nga bw'akikoze leero era n'ekyo.
Bampita Kenya Justin era nga ndi musanyufu nnyo kuba nga nfunye points 2. Mbadde nsomera ku St. Mary's College Lugazi. Njagala okubaza abazadde bange, Katonda, abasomesa bange n'emikwano gyange era nsuubira okukola medicine and surgery ku university.
It's all about the confidence and hard work. If you have confidence and you're putting in a lot, you make it. But once you try to think that you're going to fail, even though you read, you will still not make it. You have to prepare your mind for the best always.
Kayanja Victor, ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeera nga nafunye obubonero 20 points. Badde nkola BCM waneno kusomako wentandikira okuva senior 1 paka ku senior 6. Nebaza abasomesa okunyamba, ab'ed teacher ne patron wange yandeeta waneno wa BF. Ndi musanyufu nnyo era nsaba nkole bulungi medicine and surgery gye ngenda ku university. Neyanza Mukama Katonda okunyamba n'ensoma ebintu n'embitegeera. Kyewanette eno neza Yesu.
First of all, my name is Emmanuel, BCM 20 points. I feel so good when I perform when I have that excellent results, because first of all it's for my family. I always have that motive of making my family proud.
Emmanuel azakulira St. Mary's College Lugazi. Twala omukisa guno okwebaza Katonda atuyambye results zaffe eza USCA 2025 zifulumiziddwa olwaleero nga nnungi ddala. Abaana be twatuuza bonna omwaka ogwaggwa aba senior 6 tufunye abaana 25 abamazeeyo obubonero bwonna bafunye points 2, abaana 18 abafunye points 2 babadde bakola BCM, abasatu babadde mu arts class, then abana babadde mu physical class babadde bakola BCM ne PEM. Twebaza Katonda ku lw'ekulayi. Twala omukisa guno okwebaza bannange bonna abasomesa bano abaana omwaka oguwedde. Twakolanga ttiimu kyova olaba twabayisizza bulungi. Neneebaza n'abaana okwewaayo okusoma, okukkiriza guidance gye twabawa ekibasoboseza okukola obulungi bwe bati. Twala omukisa leero twesiga okutuwa abaana kubanga tuli ba driver balungi. Bw'obeera mu baasi nga driver ali senior driver, you can afford okwebaka kubanga omanyi omuvuzi amanyi kyakola ne bwebaka ojja kutuuka bulungi gy'olaga, era ye St. Mary's. Abaana betufuna bonna si nti babeera basikowalinze bulungi nti bajja na distinctions throughout okola sciences. Ofuna omwana ng'alina credit 3 abamu credit 4 ne tubawa sciences, naye ku lw'omulimu gwe tubakolamu ng'essomero at the end of the day ne wesanga nga bonna tubayisizza obulungi. Unlike abagenda amasomero awala nga na distinctions ate ne wesanga nga takoze bulungi. Naye kino tukikola babeera mu position okola obulungi kulwa commitment of the staff yenina. Abasomesa bange we bali bawaayo akadde, babeera n'abaana, they discuss buli kimu bakikolanga ttiimu nekisoboseza abaana at the end of the day okubeera transformed. The humble grades zibeera nga zi transformed into better grades.